Hello everyone, I am Nityavati. Welcome to Love Max. Today we are going to see the topic arithmetic progression nth term. Is it the 10th standard? Okay, so AP nth term we are going to see now. What is mean by nth term? We are knowing the arithmetic progression general format. What is the general form of arithmetic progression? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. So we are calling this is the first term, this is the second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, fifth, sixth, it is continue like that. Okay, just check that second term means A plus 1D, third term means A plus 2D, fourth term means A plus 3D. So in this term you minus 1D, first term plus the number of terms minus 1D, that is the format. So nth term means what? Fourth term means A plus 3D. In case 10th term means A plus 1 minus 1, 9D. 100th term means A plus 99D, because we should minus 1. That is the general format. So nth term means you should minus from 1. Okay, you should minus 1 from n. So what you should come? The first term plus this n minus 1 into D. So this nth term denoted as Tn or An. Nth term denoted as Tn or An. So this is the formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. So you don't memorize the formula. How the formulas came? Based on the general form. General form means what? What is the arithmetic progression? It is the preceding succeeding things. If you subtract, if you find the difference between two consecutive terms, the difference is constant, one fixed value. That fixed value is D. So we have to add D. So this is the general form. In the general form, 10th term means 9D. 12th term means 11D, 55th term means 54D. The same way nth term means n minus 1D. It is simply denoted as Tn or An. Okay, this is the format. What is the formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Like that you want to read the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, in case they are given any one question, A value is 3, D value is 4. Find 10th term. 10th term. Okay, 10th term means n. Okay, number of term is n. So nth term. So you just apply the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I need now 10th term. A10 means n means nth term. 10 means 10th term is equal to, in A plus is 3. N plus what is there? 10 minus 1. D plus is 4. So 3 plus 9 into 4. So 3 plus, first you do this multiplication, then only you can add. 9 4s are 36. So 39. Maybe in this sequence it is continue like that. The 10th term will be 39. Is it clear, children? In case, listen, some of them what it means, 3 plus 9 is 27 into 4. It is wrong. First you have to do the multiplication, then only you have to do the addition. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us see the another one example. Sometimes the An we consider as An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Sometimes one sequence is there, 2, 4, 6, 8 up to etc. In this sequence continue like that. 500, the term number 500 is which number of term? Okay, how many number of terms we have to reach? That means the last number is 500. So you want to find n is what? Number of term, how much? In this sequence continue, it's end with 500. How many number of terms is there? You should find, means this is the last number. So this is mean as an. So this value is 500. I don't know n, but this an last term is 500. So last term is given, means you consider an replace as L. Same like a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, mostly the question is n formula. What is n? Number of term is how many number of term, how much number of term, that only the question. So what you have to do, L, this plus a come this side, minus a. Okay, equal to n minus 1 into d. Here d is multiplication, opposite side it will be the division, equal to n minus 1. I need only n value, minus 1 come this side, plus 1. So L minus a by d plus 1. This also you can remember the formulas. Okay, so n, number of terms you want to find means, last term given means n is equal to L minus a by d plus 1. Don't memory the formula. How the formula is came, I proved here. Only in this formula, the formula we can find out. Okay, if in case last term is given means n is equal to L minus a by d plus 1. Okay, let us find the same sequence. Okay, how many number of terms we have to find now? Okay, so n, number of terms I don't know. L means last term. Last term how much? 500. Minus a means first term. First term how much? 2. Divided by d. D means common difference. What is the common difference? How to find the common difference? Second term minus first term. So 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then plus 1. So 500 minus 2 is how much? 498 by 2 plus 1. Next, using 2 table you try to cancel. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 9 2s are 18 plus 1. So 250th term. So in this term it's continue, the 500 will be 250th term. Totally 500, 250 terms are there. The 250th term is 500. Like that you want to find out. Only the one formula. An is equal to, okay, An is equal to or L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here what are the variables? A, n, d. In these three variables, they will given any two. You should find out another one. That's all. Is it clear? Shall I do some example sums now? Say this example. This is exercise 1.2, first sum. Okay. A value is minus 18. D only we don't know. N is 10. An is 0. So using this 3, you should find out D value. We know the formula. Nth term. Nth term is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This An is what given? 0. So A value is minus 18 plus N is 10. 10 minus 1, D only we don't know, keep like that. Okay, next 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 into 9D. So you can replace because 3 is equal to A means A is equal to 3 we can write. The same way 9D is equal to minus 18 come this side plus 18. 0 plus 18 is 18 only. We have D only 18. This 9D meaning is 9 times D. So 9 opposite side of equal will come division. So D is equal to 2. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. Like that whatever given keep that information. Apply this formula. You just try to simplify. Okay. First this term A term come this side. Then this D is multiplication come as a division. Okay. Next another one sum. The same exercise third main. You have to fill this box. It is the arithmetic sequence. It is the arithmetic progression means. So you should find this term and this term. Okay. So what first term I don't know. Second term is 13. So second term we denoted as A2. Okay. Third term I don't know. Fourth term is 3. Okay. I think it is decreasing order. Next, what we have to do, we should find out now A1. That means A and A3. A and A3. Okay. A2 means An means A plus N minus 1 into D. The same way A2 means what is the meaning? A plus 1D. 2 minus 1. So A plus D. General format. General form is what? A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So A plus D is 13. Next a plus 2d, a plus 3d. a plus 3d is 3. This is the given to equation. Okay, is it clear? So you have to apply the general format. This is a, this is a plus d, this is a plus 2d, this is a plus 3d. Just apply. Okay. Now we find out two equation. I want to cancel this two equation. When I can cancel, I should subtract. So 1 minus 2. You just do 1 minus 2 means minus. Change the sign. Okay. Plus a and minus a is cancelled. D minus 3d. That means 1d minus 3d. Okay. Smaller minus bigger means minus 3 minus 1 is 2d. That is equal to 13 minus 3 is 10. Minus 2d equal to 10 means I need a d value 10. The minus 2 here multiplication, this side it will be the division. Then d, we know the integers concept, both are different sign means answer will be negative. 10 by 2 is 5, so the d value is minus 5. D value is minus 5. I find d value. Okay, you should substitute somewhere. You can get a value also. Substitute d value in first equation. Okay, first equation is what? A plus d equal to 13. A I don't know. D is minus 5 equal to 13. So a is equal to 13. Minus 5 come this side plus 5. So a is equal to 18. Now I find out a and d. Now I find out a and d. A means first term. So the first term is 18. D is 5 minus 5. So it is reduced. Minus 5 13. Again 1 minus 5. Again 1 minus 5 means what? It is 8. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So the first term is and third term is, this is the answer. Is it clear? So you just apply the general form of arithmetic progression. You want to clarify this nth term. Okay. So 10th term means a plus 9d. 15th term means a plus 14d. Like that you just recall. That's all. I hope you are understand.